Hey y'all fanatics, welcome back to Bermuda Grass Central again. Guys, I've been getting this question, BYD, what do I need to do to prepare my Bermuda lawn for the spring? All right, right now we're in the 1st of March and the grass is dormant, all right? And we still have some ryegrass issues, but what I'm about to show you is one of the steps you need to do to prepare your lawn for the up and coming green up in spring. Hey y'all fanatics, look, before I start, look, if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscription button, ding, that notification bell. Every time BYD uploads a video, you will be notified by YouTube. Guys, I'm gonna make this video as short as possible because I've been getting complaints about the 25-minute videos, so I'm gonna try to cut them down to 22. I just kidding. But let me go ahead and show you what you're going to need. First of all, let me show you what we're about to do. Next, look, I went ahead and pulled the 22-inch all-wheel drive snapper lawnmower out the garage. And what we're going to do is make sure you have your bagger on your lawnmower when you do this process. What we need to do, guys, is this. Okay, y'all fanatics, look, what we're going to do is this lawnmower is on its lowest setting, all right? So we're cutting right at about 1 inch. What BYD Jr. is going to do, going to take this lawnmower, and I'm only doing this section over here. I'm not going to do the whole yard. I'm just going to do this section, and I'll show you this part of the street right here. This ryegrass issue is going to be handled later on, but one of the issues I'm having, I just don't have the temps, guys. And plus, you can see it right there in the corner. I'm expecting 3 days of rain for the next, well, 3 or 4 days. So it's constantly raining, so I can't treat it with the stuff that I want to treat it with. But BYD Jr. is going to go ahead and cut this whole section. We're going to bag it up. Guys, what we're trying to do is get this grass down to the 1 inch mark. And the reason for that, guys, is this. Your Bermuda grass is heat activated, and it's also sunlight activated, UV ray sunlight activated. When your Bermuda grass starts to get about 8 hours of direct sunlight and the temperatures go up to 80 degrees, you'll start to see the green up start to happen. Now, in order to do that, if you can get this grass down from, some of you guys still have it at 5 inches. I don't know why, but I've been preaching this all season. Get it cut down to at least to 1 inch before the green up gets here. If you get it down to 1 inch, you're going to allow that sun to hit that grass, heat up the soil, heat up those roots, and the sunlight will activate your green up. Now, depending on how low your grass is, the faster the green up. So if you got 3 inches, it's going to be a little bit longer for it to green up than it would be if you got at 1 inch. Now, I'm not saying scalp your lawn right now, and to be honest, I don't scalp my lawn. It's a huge process. Some people do it. Why don't I do it? Because I just don't want to go through all that bagging dirt. Okay, but if you want to scalp your lawn when it's about 40 to 60% green, then that's okay. Guys, if you hear that wind, I'm sorry for the wind. But what we're going to do is bag this section up right here, and he'll dump it in the woods, and therefore it's going to give me a earlier green up. Now, if you're still having somewhat what you think is thatch issues, watch that video that I have up there about those Bermuda wash lines. That'll kind of help you out. But generally, that stuff will break down when it starts to heat up, so I would not freak out. If your yard has been green for the last 3-4 years and you've been doing the same thing, that thatch, what you think is thatch, is not going to hurt it, all right? So let's get started. Okay, yard fanatics, look, before I even start, like I said, I don't have my ruler with me, but generally your digits and your finger equals 1 inch. And you can see it's roughly, and I'm looking at this part right here. Zoom in on that. This part right here, it's roughly around about 1 inch. So that's what we're going to try to keep it at. But some of this is a little bit higher than that. So when he runs over, it's going to bag it up, and we'll dump that dead grass. Like I said, I want to get this low as possible, guys, because I want that green up to come a tad bit early. Now, when my green up comes, gonna aerate my lawn also and put down some fertilizer. If you guys don't know by now, Sunnyland has agreed to sponsor this yard for the whole year. So we'll be using Sunnyland products, guys. Like I said, you can use whatever you want, but that's the fertilizer that I'm gonna use. And you know, BYD does not use products that he does not believe in. Sunnyland Corporation fertilizer is BYD approved. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start and let him go ahead and start cutting it. Now, we're not mulching, we are bagging. Earlier, when I went ahead and stick edged it because I just wanted to be nice and tidy. So BYD Junior, go ahead and crank it up. So I'm gonna come and look at it real quick. And as you can see, he's not bagging up much, but he's bagging up enough. Okay, yard fanatics, look, and that's pretty much it. It's real simple. Just go ahead and bag it up, get it down to 1 inch. If you got 5-inch Bermuda, you need to work it down 1 inch at a time, half an inch at a time, whatever your lawnmower can handle. But you need to bag up that dead grass. Do not leave it on the ground after you cut. Don't mulch that 5 inches of dead grass down, because it's gonna be a cluster. I'm here to tell you. So bag it up, and like I said, I'm in a weight situation now. And I know those guys in Florida, Allen, you know, balling out of control down there with his grass because they got green grass, right? And unfortunately, I don't have it right now, but generally in Georgia or in my area, my grass starts to green up late May, not late, late April, early May is when I start seeing it green up. All right. And guys, if you're asking about a soil test, click on this video right here. If you want to know how green your grass will get eventually, click on this video right here. And if you want to watch another video into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD, this is Mike Bowman.